Finally, Vybz Kartel is a free man and also is co-accused. Yeah, God. You know why I laugh? I would really love to see the looks upon all of them people there that was saying that Vybz Kartel should be rotting in prison. You know me, I tell you, I say people, it's when the universe say yes, there is not one man to say no. I remember this old time saying I was say, Daniel was in the lion's den and he made him way out. Jonah was in the whale belly, but Jonah didn't condemn. And it go back and it said Lazarus was risen from the dead. And it said somebody was in a bottomless pit and crawl out of that. Well, all of those sayings doesn't literally mean what it says. Those are symbols and parables. Vybz Kartel can relate to those sayings based upon his situation that he went through. When the universe say yes, no man can say no. Congratulations, Vybz Kartel, for your freedom. Every man's supposed to know what freedom tastes like. It's a good taste to be free. Congratulations. Well forward. Right, so. Me! Shocking Morris said that.